to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get that body summer glow, that glow on a budget. You know, sometimes we can't always afford that $50 body bronzer, that liquid body bronzer, and I'll show you how to get it with some items from the Dollar Tree and some items that you probably already have. So let's get started. These are my Dollar Tree items that I picked up, including this poster. This poster, I'm laying it out because I don't want to get oil on my wood table. So here is our first item. It is baby oil gel. I love the gel. I feel like my body sucks up the gel better than the actual oil. So I wanted to see if I can mix the bronzer with the gel and what type of consistency it's gonna give me. And of course, just regular baby oil. And then this is like a little travel size containers that we got at the Dollar Tree, and there's 3 of them. So I want to try the one with the oil and one with the gel. Now for my bronzers, this thing is from MAC. It's so old, as you can see. I don't even have a label for it. And then I also have my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. So let's get started. Let me do one with the baby oil. So transfer it into your little travel tubey. Okay, so let's open up our bronzers. See which color you want to mix it with. I feel like they both are the same color. This one's more like a bronzer. It has a shimmer, but the Artist Couture, looking at it now in the daylight, it looks like it has more of the shimmer. So I'm gonna put this one. And I just got a regular page paper because I didn't have something that I can pour it in. How do you do this? I'm trying to create like a little tubey. There, that's good enough. So place it here and drop it in. So I put about, I want to say like a tablespoon. A tablespoon. And then, ooh, so pretty. Okay, so let's move on to the gel. Oh my God, I love this one. Look at how this one looks compared to the liquid one. I mean, it's really up to you what you prefer, but this one I really, really like. So let me clean up this mess. Okay, so we are back. So here is my gel. Look at how pretty that looks. It looks so pretty, and you can always label that. And then here is the baby oil one. It's a little too liquidy for my liking, but if you like it, then go right ahead. So let me test out the gel first. Let me see. Can you guys see? Ooh, yes, mama likes. So let's see. This is my first time doing this. I'm a little excited that it came out pretty. I just don't want it to look too weird. And one thing that you don't want to do is put a white shirt and get it all over your shirt. So let's see. It smells delicious, by the way. Ooh, how's my glow? How is that? You see it? You see it? So what do you guys think? I really like it. Look at how glowy. Can you see that? I like it. Okay, okay. Now let me see. Okay, so this is a gel one. Let me see the oil. Okay. Very oily, but don't hate it. Love the smell. I feel like it's watery, but it's very moist too. Because when I put the gel kind of felt water consistency, if that makes sense. This one feels more like oil, like olive oil. So let's put this on too. Oh yes, this one gives you more of, I feel like this one's actually giving you more of the glow. Okay, I'm switching my choice. Oh, okay, so now I feel like this one is sucking up, my skin's sucking this up. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I like it. So what do you guys think? Okay, she is ready. Ready with that glow, 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 glow. Love it. So you have your gel on one hand and your oil on the other hand. These are so cute and they're so perfect for your purse. Okay guys, so let me know what you guys think, if you're the gel girl or you're the body oil. Right now I'm actually a mix. I think I'm a little of both. So thank you. That is it for my DIY today. My glow DIY. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.